The Evans Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
Another key component when people are asking about primary custody and some keys to being able to establish that or defend it, if you will, is financial support, whichever side of that you're on, but primarily I'm talking to the ones who have typically provided financial support. Don't make any sudden changes to that. If your child's involved in private school, don't threaten to pull the tuition until after you've talked to your lawyer and had a detailed consultation about that. If your child has special needs and there's in-home therapists or ABA therapists or occupational therapists, don't pull the funding or financial support for those things until after you've consulted with your lawyer. If you've been putting savings away for a child for a car, your child is 15 and they're about to get to a car or 16 or something, don't stop that financial support. If your child's driving a car and you're paying for the auto insurance and you have maybe a savings account or an allowance account where they've been paying gas or maintenance expenses or something, don't just pull those funds and pull that support, even if your child is aligned with the other parent, even if it's actually that way or you perceive that the child's aligned with the other parent. The problem is if you do things like that, it will hurt you in the eyes of the court. And that's really where you have to ultimately make your play, is in the eyes of the court. And you want to be seen as somebody who can have the judgment and continue to provide financial support for your kids and allow the court to make those adjustments if, for example, the money's just not there. I understand situations, and it happens often, where the money's just not there and the other spouse continues to drive or the other parent continues to drive those kinds of expenses. But we need to get you in front of the court in order to do that, or play that, document it appropriately before you just withdraw that financial support.
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Law Group for a consultation at 512-628-2550. The Evans Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.